So the 2019 Passport was a hit, but what we're going to show you today for the 22 model Passport is really going to excite customers. And the first thing that they're going to see is the new front end styling. From the A-pillars forward, there's new sheet metal, new fenders, a new hood.
Yeah, I love this new hood.
And then the bold front styling with the big grille really represents that off-road rugged feeling and look as well.
All right, so I love the new front end styling. It echoes some of the ruggedness that you were talking about. What about here in the back?
Yeah, for sure. So we didn't stop at the front. We brought it all the way to the back too. Customers are going to get a new restyled rear bumper and restyled dual exhaust tips as well. And the exhaust tips are more circular, but they really represent that more performance look too.
It's great. All right, so one of the first things I noticed about this Passport is there's a TrailSport badge on the front. Tell me about that.
Yeah, good eye.
Thank you, thank you.
TrailSport represents 50 plus years of Honda's off-road rugged capabilities from our motorcycles, ATVs, and side-by-sides. And the TrailSport, which will be first introduced on the 22 model Passport, advances our rugged direction in the off-road category.
I've also noticed that there's a really cool orange to it. Seems like kind of a signature color.
The orange color applies to the TrailSport Edition. You'll see some of the orange coloring very subtle on the interior of the vehicle. First thing the customer will be met with is the TrailSport signature embroidered on the headrest, some orange stitching on the seats, the steering wheel throughout the rear cabin. We also have some TrailSport branded rubber mats. Console materials are slightly updated for easier cleaning. So when the driver's out on the weekend, trekking in the wild or overlanding, bringing all the dirt in, it's kind of easier to wash down and clean up. To reinforce some of the adventurous feeling of it, we did apply some additional styling for the TrailSport. You'll notice some of the inlay on the grille, as well as the skid garnish, and the roof rails are painted pewter finish, as well as the wheels, which will be unique to TrailSport.